Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend Friday, May the 28th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus, puzzles. In this additional, we have here a letter Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars. Then I have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 8 extra Sudokus or puzzles in this additional. And the first puzzle I will solve, I only do 4. Why 4 and not 7? Total of 7 extra Sudokus, but too much for me to solve them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one is a 3-star Sudoku. Then I will do the 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Because I need also the same time for uploading it. It's too much for me if I do them all. And the first one will be number 2859. Alright, 59. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Yes, 25 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level with the printed digits, but you cannot always say that a 25 printed digits is easier than a 24 printed digits. It could be happen that the 24 printed digits, a 4-star Sudoku, is much faster than this one with 25. So it depends if there are a lot of pairs in the puzzle. Alright, so let's get started with this one. And let me scan the puzzle. This one. Alright. Which number can I pick here? For example, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. We have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, no 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then a 2 in this column, a 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. Well, another 6 there in the middle column, so no 6 in this box. Only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. How about let me see. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Well. Let me think. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing in this big square, the 7 in this big square, and the 5 in this big square. 3, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5. We see here 3 and a 7 there, so no 3 and 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. All right. 7, 3. Well, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 7, and the 8. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. All right. We have a pair, 1 and a 7 in this column, 1 and a 7 in the column next. So in that column, in the only 3 left boxes, could be the 1 and a 7, but we see here 1 and a 7 in this row, so no 1 and a 7 in that box. So the 1 and a 7 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. All right. 4, 5. Yeah. Let me think. 8. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this row. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. All right. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. All right. 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. 4, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 2. 2 is missing. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. All right. Yeah, 6. Let me see. We have a 7 in one. No. We already have a 7. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3, 5. 3, 5. And 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Well, 3, 5, 6. Remember this. 3, 5, 6. These 3 boxes in this big square cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. All right, now we have here 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left. Here we have 1 and a 7. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. And look, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing in the second column, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left. Here we have 1 and a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 3, 3? How about 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. Where is the opening? The opening. Yeah. I need to find the opening. All right. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, no, 1, 2, the 3, I needed 3 here. Well. 5. Come on, it's taking too long. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 2. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 7, the 8, and the 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 here. So no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. All right. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 1/8. 1/8 and 6. 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. There also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are left. The 1 and the 8 I cannot fill. Oh well, we have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in that box. So the 8 should be there. And the 1 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6 is missing. Alright. 2 final numbers of this big square. The numbers 3 and 4 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow, 3 stars? No, for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. I've solved this within or faster than 20 minutes. It should be a 2 star because for 1 star I need faster to be 15 minutes. But I'm pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you, or we will meet you again in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.